What's the meaning of astringency? Astringency. Astringency.
Astringency. Astringency. Astringency is a sensory attribute that describes the dry, puckering mouth feel caused by certain substances, such as tannins, in food and beverages. It is often described as a sensation of roughness or dryness in the mouth and can be found in foods like unripe fruits, tea, and red wine. Astringency is caused by the binding of tannins to salivary proteins, which causes a decrease in lubrication in the mouth. This tactile sensation is often associated with bitterness and can affect the overall enjoyment of the food or beverage being consumed.